Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how I did these cute fall fox nails. So this first color I'm going to be using is Light Elegance's Bearded Lady. This is from their fall collection. I will have a link down below to the swatches for their fall collection. This is a perfect chocolate brown shade. And so I'm going to apply this with my Light Elegance Oval No. 4 brush, and I'm going to apply it to my pinky, ring finger, and my pointer finger. And I do know that my nails do look a little gross. I am a hairstylist, so they are stained with hair color, so nothing wrong with my nails. They just look a little stained, that's all. And I will go ahead and insert the inspiration picture here. This is what I'm going off of to do these nails. And now I know Nails by Cambria, I believe, is the original creator of this design. I did do a design a couple years ago using her original design, and I will insert those two pictures here as well. The next color I'm going to be using is Light Elegance's Lion Tamer. This one again is from their fall collection. This is a beautiful golden brown glitter. And I will be applying this color to my middle finger as well as my thumb as a glitter fade. The next color I'm going to be using is Light Elegance's Daredevil. This one again from their fall collection. This one has more of little flakies, so they're golden and then brown and copper flakies. And I just put this on top of Lion Tamer to add a little bit more sparkle to the nails. And here I am going into the design. On my pinky I'm going to draw some leaves. And so I will insert pictures of all of the colors I'm using for the design. This first one is Kira Sky's Egyptian Goddess. It's a pretty like burnt orange kind of color. The next color leaf I'm going to use is Kira Sky's Call It Cliche. This is a army green color. And this light yellow shade I did create using Madame Glam's Mimosa and Perfect White mixed together. So here on my ring finger I am going to be drawing out the fox. So for this light nude color I'm using Kira Sky's Nude Swings, and I did mix it with a little bit of Madame Glam's Perfect White just to lighten it up a bit. And here I'm using that same burnt orange color, Kira Sky's Egyptian Goddess. Here I've switched over to my pointer finger. I am again just placing those random leaves of those same colors. And on the fox I did add a couple of leaves around his ear. And now I'm using Madame Glam's Perfect Black as the outline for all the leaves. And it's okay if the outline isn't perfect because this look is intended to be more of a cartoonish look, and so it actually looks better if it's slightly off-center. And here I'm adding the final details to the fox face. Off camera I did go and adjust the fox face just a little bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate all of the nails. I'm going to be using my Young Nails Build Gel for that. And I will be using the Young Nails Master Gel Brush to apply the gel. So I just put down a slick layer and then I put a bigger glob of the gel and go down the nail and try to create that apex. And I do know that my ring finger is a little wonky. My natural nail is starting to grow out quite a bit underneath it, and that one does curve quite a bit. So for my next set, I'll have to just chop it off and sculpt out a new nail so that way it looks a little bit better. So I went ahead and I finished filed off camera, so here's what that looks like. And now all we have to do is top coat the nails. So I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny for the top coat. And here is the final design. These colors definitely scream fall. I know we're at the very end of fall here in November and a lot of people have moved on to winter nails, but I did want to get this last video up for the fall time. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and we'll see you next time for some winter nails. Bye!